Ready to take on a 2-week challenge? This gentle, no-jumping Tai Chi workout helps activate your whole body, support belly fat loss, and leave you feeling stronger, lighter, and more energized. Three, 2, 1. Begin. Exercise 1. Open your arms wide, raise them overhead, then lower into a horse stance with crossed forearms. Warm up your whole body, engage your core, and begin supporting belly fat loss naturally. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 2. Clap your hands in front as you rise onto your toes, then lower your heels and clap behind your back. Open your chest, improve posture, and help increase calorie burn for belly fat loss. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 3. Reach both arms overhead, then sweep them behind as you lift one knee to hip height. Improve balance, strengthen your hip flexors, and build better coordination with controlled movement. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 4. Step sideways into a bow stance, raising one arm overhead while lowering the other. Then smoothly switch your arm and leg positions. Improve hip mobility, shoulder flexibility, and weight shifting control. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 5. Raise your arms to shoulder height. Lower into a horse stance while pressing your arms down. Then rise as your arms lift back to shoulder level. Strengthen your legs, improve knee stability, and build lower body endurance. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 6. Bend forward with your arms reaching straight ahead. Then return to standing with a gentle chest lift. Stretch your back and hamstrings, improve hip flexibility, and encourage better posture. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 7. Lift one knee to hip height while reaching one arm overhead and sweeping the other across your chest. Engage your core, improve balance, and support belly fat loss with coordinated movement. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 8. Step into a bow stance. Extend one arm to the side while keeping the other across your chest. Then lift your back knee to hip height. Improve balance, strengthen your hips, and enhance lower body control. Switch sides. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 9. Hold your hands in front of your waist. Pull both fists upward to chest height. Then return to the starting position. Strengthen your shoulders and arms while improving upper body coordination. Switch sides. 3, 2, 1. Next, exercise 10. Lower into a horse stance with your hands in front of your chest. Then rise as you open your chest and relax your arms. Strengthen your legs, expand your chest, and improve posture. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 11. Extend both arms to shoulder height. Bend your torso to touch the opposite foot with one hand. Then return and switch sides. Engage your core, improve spinal flexibility, and support belly fat loss. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 12. Interlace your fingers overhead, then alternate rising onto your toes and lowering your heels while keeping your arms extended. Improve ankle stability, enhance balance, and gently stretch your entire body. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 13. Bend your elbows with both hands near your shoulders. Step one heel forward with toes lifted while lowering both arms. Then return and alternate sides. Improve hip mobility, ankle flexibility, and walking coordination. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 14. March gently in place while sweeping your arms up, crossing them overhead, then lowering them in front of your chest. Relax your whole body, regulate your breathing, and release tension in your shoulders. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Fantastic job today! You completed the entire workout, and every session brings you one step closer to a stronger, healthier you. Thank you for practicing with us. Keep showing up, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next Tai Chi session.